From the moment humans first looked up at the stars, we have been driven by an insatiable curiosity, an urge to explore, to understand and to leave our mark on the world. And what marks they left! Across the globe, from the wind-swept deserts to the mist-shrouded mountains, lie the remnants of civilizations long gone. These are not just stones and rubble, but echoes of empires, whispers of ingenuity that resonate through millennia. Join me as we embark on an epic journey, a voyage through time to uncover the secrets of the ancients, to unravel the mysteries of these architectural marvels. We will journey from the scorching sands of Egypt, where the pyramids stand as a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient Egyptians, to the sun-drenched shores of Greece, home to the Parthenon, a symbol of the glory of ancient Athens. From the verdant jungles of Mesoamerica, where the Mayan pyramids reveal the astronomical prowess of the Maya civilization, to the dizzying heights of the Andes, where Machu Picchu stands as a marvel of Incan engineering. Prepare to be amazed, to be humbled, and perhaps just a little bit amused. For the ancients, like us, were not without a sense of humour. Their stories, etched in stone and passed down through generations, reveal not only their brilliance, but also their quirks, their foibles, and their enduring humanity. Egypt, land of pharaohs, hieroglyphs, and the original bigger is better architectural philosophy. Here on the edge of the Sahara Desert stands a testament to that ambition, the Great Pyramid of Giza. The last surviving wonder of the ancient world, this colossal structure has stood sentinel for over 4,500 years. Imagine, if you will, a time when the very landscape we see today was but a canvas for the pharaoh's grand designs. Built around 2560 BCE for Pharaoh Khufu, this 481-foot-tall limestone giant dwarfs even the most ambitious modern skyscrapers. To construct such a monument required a Herculean effort, with over 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing up to 30 tons, painstakingly quarried and transported. Even today, with all our modern technology, the logistics of such an undertaking seem almost unimaginable. One can only marvel at the ingenuity and sheer manpower required to move these colossal stones, not with cranes and bulldozers, but with ropes, rollers, and sheer human determination. Pharaoh Khufu, also known as Cheops, was the second ruler of the Fourth Dynasty. His reign marked a period of unprecedented architectural and cultural achievements. Under Khufu's rule, Egypt saw the construction of not only the Great Pyramid, but also a complex of temples, smaller pyramids and causeways, all designed to honor the gods and ensure his legacy. The Giza Plateau became a monumental landscape, reflecting the pharaoh's divine status and his ambition to be remembered for eternity. Khufu's ambitious projects required not just architectural innovation, but also a highly organized workforce, showcasing the advanced administrative skills of ancient Egypt. Today, the Great Pyramid stands as a testament to Pharaoh Khufu's vision and the extraordinary capabilities of his people, a marvel that continues to inspire awe and admiration. From the sands of Egypt, we journey now to the heart of the Roman Empire, a civilization known for its military might, its political prowess, and, of course, its insatiable appetite for entertainment. And what better symbol of that than the Colosseum? This iconic amphitheatre, a masterpiece of Roman engineering, has stood for almost 2 millennia as a reminder of the empire's grandeur and its capacity for both spectacle and brutality. But behind the grandeur, there were economic strains. The construction of such monumental structures required immense resources, often funded by heavy taxation. These tax hikes placed a significant burden on the populace, leading to widespread discontent. Take that, modern construction permits. Opened in 80 CE by Emperor Vespasian, the Colosseum was more than just an arena. It was the beating heart of Roman social life, a place where citizens from all walks of life, from senators to shopkeepers, gathered to be entertained. Yet the economic pressures and tax burdens were never far from their minds. And here we find ourselves in Greece, birthplace of democracy, philosophy, and surprisingly, optical illusions. The Parthenon, a temple dedicated to the goddess Athena, stands as a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient Greeks. At first glance, its columns appear perfectly straight, reaching for the heavens with unwavering resolve. But appearances, as they often do, can be deceiving. The Greeks, with their keen eye for detail, understood that true perfection lay not in rigid lines, but in subtle curves. Look closer and you'll notice the columns bulge ever so slightly in the middle, a trick of the eye known as entasis. This intentional imperfection creates the illusion of perfect straightness from a distance. These master builders, you see, were not just architects, they were artists and mathematicians. They understood that our eyes can be tricked, that perception is a fragile thing. They harnessed this knowledge not to deceive, but to enhance, to create a structure that was both aesthetically pleasing and structurally sound. The Parthenon, then, is a testament not only to the Greeks' mastery of stone and mathematics, but also to their deep understanding of human perception. It is a reminder that sometimes the most beautiful things are not perfectly straight, but those that are crafted with a knowing wink to the flaws of our own vision. In ancient Egypt, the pursuit of perfection was also evident in their grand structures and intricate carvings. The pyramids, with their precise alignments and monumental scale, reflect a civilization's quest for eternal perfection. Similarly, the Mayans and their towering pyramids reveal a deep understanding of both astronomy and geometry. Their structures were not just built to last, but to align with celestial events, showcasing their sophisticated grasp of the cosmos. Across these ancient civilizations, the concept of perfection was not just about flawless execution, but about harmonizing with nature and the universe. Their art and architecture remind us that true perfection is a blend of precision, creativity, and a deep understanding of the world around us. Deep within the Yucatan Peninsula, shrouded by jungle, lies a testament to the Maya civilization's ingenuity. Chichen Itza, a sprawling city of temples, pyramids, and ball courts, stands as a beacon of their advanced knowledge of astronomy, mathematics, and architecture. Dominating the landscape is El Castillo, the iconic pyramid dedicated to Kukulkan, the feathered serpent deity. This towering structure, rising 79 feet above the jungle floor, is more than just a temple. It's a giant solar calendar, meticulously aligned with the movements of the sun. Twice a year, during the spring and autumn equinoxes, a spectacle unfolds on the pyramid's northern staircase. As the sun sets, a play of light and shadow creates the illusion of a serpent descending the pyramid, its head reaching towards the ground. This mesmerizing phenomenon, a testament to the Maya's precise astronomical calculations, draws thousands of visitors each year, eager to witness this ancient civilization's deep connection with the cosmos. The construction of these pyramids required not only advanced knowledge, but also immense labor and resources. The Maya used locally sourced limestone, which was meticulously cut and shaped using stone tools. Thousands of laborers worked tirelessly, transporting massive stone blocks to the construction site using wooden sleds and rollers. The pyramids were not just architectural marvels, they were also cultural and religious centers. Intricate carvings and sculptures adorned the walls, depicting scenes of rituals, deities, and celestial events. These structures played a central role in Maya society, serving as venues for ceremonies, festivals, and astronomical observations, reflecting their deep cultural and spiritual significance. High in the Peruvian Andes, shrouded in mist and mystery, lies Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Incas. This breathtaking citadel, perched precariously on a mountain ridge, is a testament to the Inca Empire's architectural prowess and their ability to conquer even the most challenging terrains. Built in the 15th century, Machu Picchu served as a royal estate for the Inca Emperor Pachacuti and a sacred ceremonial site. Its intricate stonework, terraced gardens, and sophisticated water systems reflect the Incas' deep connection to nature and their mastery of engineering. The city's remote location, hidden amidst the cloud forests, allowed it to escape the Spanish conquest, preserving its architectural wonders for centuries. It wasn't until 1911 that Hiram Bingham, an American explorer, stumbled upon this hidden gem, revealing its secrets to the world. Today, Machu Picchu stands as a powerful reminder of the Inca civilization's ingenuity and their enduring legacy etched into the very fabric of the Andes Mountains. Its discovery, architecture, and historical importance continue to captivate and inspire people from all over the globe. From the scorching sands of Egypt to the cloud-kissed peaks of the Andes, our journey through these ancient wonders has taken us across continents and through millennia, revealing the ingenuity, artistry, and sheer determination of civilizations past. These awe-inspiring structures, standing as testaments to human endeavor, remind us that even in a world without modern technology, our ancestors were capable of achieving extraordinary feats. So next time you marvel at a skyscraper or a suspension bridge, remember the legacy of those who came before us, who built empires and shaped history with little more than their bare hands, unwavering determination, and perhaps a healthy dose of humor. These wonders remind us ancient builders had no cranes, no Wi-Fi, and definitely no espresso. Yet here we are, still gawking. So next time you're stuck assembling IKEA furniture, remember, it could be worse. You could be moving a 30-ton block for Pharaoh Karen. Until next time, history buffs, keep exploring and appreciating the marvels of our past.